Let's see. I'm sharing the screen, okay? Let's see what did we do in the previous class.
Ma'am, can you tell me what did we do at the last in the last class?
I'll just check. I'll check.
I was not present on that.
This is what we were doing in the previous class, right?
Yes. Yes.
We had done these type of questions. Okay, children. So today we'll come on to the graph part. We all have graphs with you.
And can you give me a minute? Like I'll get my graph book.
Go and get. Others, do you have graph paper with you?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Please take out your graphs. Okay.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Today we will do bar graphs.
Ma'am, like
Say.
Consider.
I'm like is the I'll just
We are going to start bar graph.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you. Ma'am, can you speak a little louder, please?
Who is this?
I'm Sudarshan's mother here.
Okay, I'm very loud, ma'am. My volume is
Okay.
high.
Yeah, not sure why, but yeah.
Okay.
It's not audible. Okay, ma'am, fine.
ma'am, like I'll just open my camera and can you check whether this is okay? Like it's a bit small, so
It's okay. Yes, it's okay, but it's perfectly fine. It has small lines, no, in between, because those lines
yeah,
are
ma'am.
not visible to me. Yeah, it's okay then. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to the bar graph
Oh,
part.
ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have my graph book because I'm in my hometown and I didn't bring it with me.
Okay. This is today's 15th. Okay, 24. So let's do bar graph. So if you don't have, you can do without that and what to say. Okay. So bar graph is actually what? The graphical representation of the data, right? Graphical representation. When we represent the data in the graphical form, we call it as bar graph. See, in representing in a graphical form, there are different types of graphs. Okay?
Yes.
So
I cannot find
graph is one type. Out of all these types, bar graph is one type. Okay, we'll study about bar graph here. So as you have studied in your previous class, you have studied about pictograph, tally chart. Okay, you are making tally tables, no? Right?
Yes,
You have done about pie chart, pictograph, and all, right? So those were also, interpreting the data. You were analyzing, interpreting the data, and finding out conclusions out of it, right? So same way here also we have a bar graph. So they are bar graphs. What is the speciality of the bar graph is that they are simple to create. They are easy to create. Okay, although pictographs are also easy. When you studied things become easy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the graphical representation of data is bar graph?
See, bar graph is one type of representing a data graphically. Okay? Representing data graphically. When we represent the data on the graph, we call it graphical representation. Okay?
Ma'am, actually, I cannot find my graph book.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, even same here.
Okay, no problem. For today, you just do without that. And for tomorrow, please arrange for the graph. Okay?
Ma'am, even I cannot find my graph book.
Okay. I'm saying today you do without graph. Okay. And for tomorrow you can arrange for the bar graph. Right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. So speciality of the bar graph is first of all, it is simple to create and you can quickly analyze the data. You can quickly make conclusions just by looking at the bar graph. Okay. Just by looking at the bar graph, you can understand the things. Okay. And it's easy to interpret. So quickly you can analyze it. So let's see how do we make a bar graph. I'm taking an example of now.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Sudarshan. Hello.
Ma'am, I cannot hear with you.
I don't know, bache, my side. Others, are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear
Yes,
you.
ma'am, we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
hear.
Are you able to hear, Sudarshan?
Yes,
So
very little.
Very little. Okay.
Like, it's loud
Okay,
enough.
bache, others, are you able to hear it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm quite loud this side. My side, I'm quite loud.
I'll check the connection.
Okay, beta. Okay, so see children, let's take an example and the things will be clear to you. Okay, so draw a bar graph. For the data, I'm giving the data here. See in the years are given and the data is given of a sugar production. Okay, in the year, how much was this sugar production in tons? So that's sugar production in tons. Okay, tons. So let's do, this is 2006. In 2006, the sugar production was 52 tons. Okay, in 2007, the sugar production is 54 tons. In 2008, the sugar production is 50 tons. Please note down the data and I'll show you how to make the graph. In 2000, a second, I'll change the data here. Don't write 52, 50 because these are very close. So let's take some other numbers. Okay, I am just taking it 45. Please change these numbers. These are all in the range of 50s. So I'm just taking it different numbers. Okay, let's take it 35 and let's take this as 75 and I'm taking this as 25. Okay, just to show you the data so that you can see this clearly. If I keep all things very closer, no, so all bars will be of the same height. Okay, right, children?
Ma'am, at 2007, you will make it like anything. 5.
5.
Multiple of 5.
No problem. No, in the multiple, so you are thinking it's easy to mark on the graph.
Yes, ma'am.
There were no problem. You should be able to mark other things. So you should be able to mark these also. 53, 50,
Ma'am?
57. I'll show you how to mark. Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes.
2006 is 45.
Yes.
2007 is 54. 2008 is 35. 2009 is 75. And 2010 is 25.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. So this is the data. Now let's see how do I plot a graph here. See, those who don't have a graph, no, they can make it with the pencil and scale. You can use your pencil scale, right? And for tomorrow, you can arrange for the graph. Now see, I'm taking years here, years on the y-axis. I'm taking years on the y-axis and I have taken on the years on the x-axis and I've taken the sugar production on y-axis, right? So this is y-axis, this is I'm taking sugar production. Somebody saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now see how do we make this? In your graph, you will just leave one, you will, after leaving one box here, that means 1 centimeter distance, you will put a dot here. And every point you will just put dots here, right? Now from here to here, okay, just leaving one box here, you have another box. Just take this as 2006. Okay. From here to here, leave one box again here. Then in the another box, you have this range 2007. Then leave one more here. You have another bar here. That is 2000.
Ma'am, do we need to use only like one single row or two boxes?
One box is enough. So leave equal gaps, but okay. Don't think that here you are leaving one and here you are taking two. And here you are leaving again two and taking one. Don't do like that. All should be one. Okay, 1 centimeter, equal gaps should be there. And even the width of the bars should also be equal. Okay, the width of the bars should also be equal. That's the main thing in this.
Yes, ma'am. Like, what should I take the width? Like 2 boxes or only 1 box?
One box. Okay. So this
The
is
width
not
of a bar is 1 box, and we
One
need to
box.
leave a box.
in between also you leave one box. Okay. So this is the data. These are the bars I've created from 2006 to 2010. Right. Okay. Now here I can see I can take my numbers as. What do I have here? Let's see. My numbers are ranging from 25, 35, 45, 54, 75. So that means they are all in the values of tens. So I'll take my values here as 10, 20,
20,
30,
30,
40, 50, 60. My highest value is 75.
Ma'am, with 1 centimeter gap, right?
Yes, with 1 centimeter gap. Okay, between every 1 centimeter, you can put this dots here. Right, children?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see the first in 2006, the sugar production was 45 tons. Right? 45 tons means 45 lies between 40 and 50.
40 and
Okay.
50.
Between 40 and 50. So I'll take this here like this. Just my
Do we need to draw the dotted line or?
no, you don't need to draw. Because you already have small lines in your graph.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have, so I'm making it. Okay, so this is a bar. I will join it here with this bar here. Right? Right, children? So this is the bar. That means in 2006, the sugar production was 45 tons. Right? Are you understanding? Sugar production was given in tons, no? So in 2006, the sugar production is 45 tons. So similarly, now let's see in 2007, the sugar production is 54 tons. Now, how do we take 54? Ashwath was saying, ma'am, take it 55. So there's no problem. See, from 50, when you start counting those very small lines, no? So that is 51, 52, 53, 54, and then you come to 55 in the middle part. Yes, children? Yes, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So just count 4 lines, 4 small lines above 50. So you will get 54 here. Okay, just very close to 55, you will get 54. Yes, Ashwin?
Okay.
Yes, Ashwin, are you able to make out how to get 54?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now with your pencil and scale, just join the bars like this. So you will see you are getting these rectangular bars. Okay. These bars are called bars. That's how we have the name bar graph. Okay. Because we get bars here. As you have a chocolate bar, no? Rectangular shaped chocolate bar. Okay, so here also we have these bars, right? The rectangular bars. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, are you understanding? Rishit,
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
Chakrika, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to make out how to make the bars on the graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, please ask. Wherever you don't understand, you can ask. Okay, beta? And don't feel shy in asking. Okay, ask whatever comes to your mind. Please, okay?
Ma'am,
Adri,
after solving this, like after doing this, can you show me the question? I just didn't wrote it.
okay, I'll show you. Okay, you can see the question now. Okay, Siddhant, are you understanding?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Adrit, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adrit, you can check your time. Okay, whenever you want to leave, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Rayansh, Afan,
Yes,
Rayansh,
ma'am.
Afan, are you able to understand how are we making the bars? Bar
Yes,
graph?
ma'am. I understood.
Please keep your videos also on. Soumya,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Any child who's not understanding Charvik, are you able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
No, also someone is coming.
Charvik, your volume is very low, so please write in the chat box, okay? Charvik, you can write your whatever you are saying.
Ma'am, I'm done with the question. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, now see in 2008, the sugar production is 35 tons. So 35, I can see 35 is in the middle of 30 and 40, right? So I can just stretch my here like this without disturbing the previously made bars, okay, like this. And I will join it here. It should be joined here like this with my line went down. Okay, like this. It should be 35. Can you see now? This is here in the middle like this, 35. Okay, in 2009, the sugar production is 75 now. So 75 lies between 70 and 80, like this. Okay, so like this. So you don't need to draw a dotted line. It's only me who's doing that because when you are doing on a graph, then you have these. Okay, so this is now 75 tons. And now in 2010, the sugar production is 25. Now 25 is here between 20 and 30. Okay. Like this.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can you just check it whether it's right?
I'll just check with you. So this is how we make these graphs.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
I'm also done.
yes, very nice. So now you can make some lines, some any design.
What's next?
Yes, I'll tell you what's next, beta. But are you able to understand this?
Yes, I
Oh,
understand.
very nice.
Ma'am, can you check this?
Yes, beta, just a second. So make some lines or do some shading inside the bars so that your bars are nicely highlighted. Okay? Okay, children? Yes, Siddhant, you are showing me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wait, just a second, let me check where are you. Your video is not on.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Where is it? Okay, Siddhant is here. Okay, just a second, Siddhant. Yes, I can see now. Yes, yes. Yes, Siddhant, I can see your graph. It's shaking and all the lines are highlighting. Actually, in the bar graph, there are so many lines like this, but I can see your bars. Okay, beta. But it's not so clearly visible. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I just dark it because I'm did with pencil. That's it.
Okay. Okay, beta. It's okay.
Okay.
So, Sudarshan, you are done. Show me your bar graph. Show me on the screen. Yes, Sudarshan, show me your bar graph on the screen. Sudarshan. Sudarshan.
Can I show my bar graph?
Show.
Yes.
Yes, Rishit, I can see. Yes, Rishit.
Fine.
But how come your bar graph is going so long up? What have you taken your bars as?
I'm like I left a box between each number, like 10 and 20.
Between 10 and 20.
Yes, ma'am. I left a box.
No. See, you had to take it like this, no? Where did you leave the box?
No, ma'am. Like in the first box, I took 10, and I left the second box, and in the third box, I wrote 20.
No, that's wrong. There should be equal gaps between each number. You cannot take that. Suppose if you are from 0 to 10, you are taking this as 1 centimeter, and from 10 to 20, if you are taking 2 centimeter distance, 2 boxes, then that goes wrong, no?
No, ma'am. I
Instead,
took equal gaps like between all the numbers. Like
you
I
took
left
like
one
this,
box.
then from 10 to 20, it should be 1 box only, no?
Yes, ma'am. From 10 to 20, I left one box. 20 to 30, I left one box.
It should be like this only. This is leaving 1 box. This is leaving 1 box.
Yes, ma'am.
Leaving 1 box. Okay, so there should be equal gaps. So
Yes,
this
ma'am. I
is
did the same.
this is the very important thing whenever you are making any kind of graph. Any kind, not only bar graph, but any kind of graph. Okay, there should be equal distribution between the spacings. Okay, right, children? So let's do one more question on bar graphs.
Ma'am, can you explain me the scale?
Yes, Charvik, I can't hear you. Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am
Your
is
volume
saying
is-
that can you explain him like he did not understand.
Okay. I'm saying, look here, somebody has written some chat also. Let me just go through it.
Ma'am, I did not understand the scale sequence. Like he can
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Scale.
Okay, see here. See, in this scale, I have taken 1 centimeter. I'm writing the scale here. On y-axis, I have taken 1 unit. 1 unit means 1 box, 1 centimeter box, 1 unit as 10 tons. Okay. Yes, because the sugar production is in 10. So I have taken 1 unit as 10 tons. Right? And on the x-axis, I have taken 1 bar, okay, 1 unit as the year, 1 year, okay? Okay, 1 unit I have taken as 1 year. And the gaps are also equal here. From here, 0 to here, there is nothing here. So, but it is 1 unit. From here to here, there is 1 unit gap. 1 unit gap. 1 unit gap. Here also 1 unit gap. Okay? Okay, children?
Yes.
Yes, understood now, Charvik? Charvik, you understood now?
Yes,
See, let's do one more question. The more we do, the more things will be clear to you. Okay, let's take another question like this. Just 5 minutes are left for your class, but we'll take a question.
Ma'am, but in the whole
Hey,
data
Hochu.
chapter, bar graphs are free.
What happened?
Ma'am, in the whole data analysis chapters, the bar graph is so easy.
Paragraph is so easy. So other things were difficult.
No, ma'am, like
Kinda,
when we
kinda.
compare everything, so easy.
It's easy, Vita. When you understand the things, no, then everything becomes easy. Okay.
Ma'am, especially in maths, you understand the fundamentals, then it's very easy for you.
Very well said. Very nice. Okay, now draw a bar graph. I'm giving the data here. There is disturbance from side. Please mute yourself. Okay, number of two-wheelers produced. Number of two-wheelers manufacturing or produced, you can say. Okay. Please note down the data and you can, carry on after the class also because class time will get over. Okay, children. So please note down the data and you can make the bar graph, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you can try doing.
Ma'am, is this homework?
If the time gets over, then it's a homework. If the time does not get over, then it's a classwork. Okay.
Okay.
But I feel that you must continue even after the class. Okay. So
Yeah, ma'am, we should. I think we should give a homework.
So don't leave your seat even if the time class gets over. Complete this and then only get up from your seat. Okay, so in 2011, the number of two-wheelers produced were 16,000. In 2012, it was 17,000. In 2013, it was 15,000. And 2014, it was 18,000. In 2015, it was 19,000.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
number
yes.
of two-wheeler produced in year 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016.
Yes, yes.
And
Yes.
16,000, 17,000.
Ma'am, can we take 10,000 like for the scale?
That's what I'm telling you. I'll just explain you how you have to do because class time will get over then. See, on the x-axis, you will take the years, okay? You will take years on the x-axis. You will leave one bar and you will take the years. Like from here to here, the first bar will be vacant. Always start with the vacant bar, okay?
16,000.
So here you will be 2011. So here your bar will be 2012. So here again leave equal gaps. Here.
17,000.
So similarly, you can take years like this. Okay, 2014 here, then 2015 here. Right, children? Then here also you can take 2016. Okay, so this is your on x-axis. Now on y-axis, what will you do? So equal distribution should be there. From 0 to first point is your, you can take it as 10,000. So take it as 10,000. For another bar, you can take it as, see, you can see all these are between 11 to 20,000. Okay, so you can take, this can be taken as 11,000.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the 2011 in 16,000 same as 2016?
One second. What are you asking?
2011 and 2016 are same two-wheeler produced.
It's same beta. In 2011 and 2016, both are same. Okay. So you will get two bars of equal height. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You will get
Got
two
it.
bars of equal height.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I just have a doubt. Can you clear it?
Tell me.
Ma'am, let me open my camera, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ లైన్ ఆల్రెడీ లైన్ వేసేసింది కదా.
Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, you can see like here there is 16,000. So like here if we take 10,000 at the scale. So from here if we start 10,000 then.
That's what I'm saying. I'm making the scale. I'm showing you. Don't take 10,000 because if you take 10,000, then you'll have to take the other bar, other point as 20,000. And you have everything in the range of 11 to 20,000.
Ma'am, we can take as 5,000 at least.
So take a small, yes, so take small only. Okay. So it's better if you take from, this is 16, 17, 15. So take from 5,000.
Ma'am, can we take from 15?
No. See, if you take 1,000, that will be very small. So take from 5,000. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So take from 5,000. Then 5,000 wheelers were produced. Then you have 15,000. Okay. Then take this as 20,000. And then, okay, just 20,000.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So you have all bars within 20,000. So there is nothing beyond that. Right, children? So now see here.
आपका केवल
In
निकले तो
2007, it was 16,000. So from 16, 15 to 20,000, you can take two small lines as 1 point. Okay? Okay? Yes, children?
yes ma'am.
From 15 to 20, you have 10 small lines in between these, no? So I am saying take two small lines as 1 point. So that means if you have to take 16, you will take two small lines beyond this. From 15, you will take two small lines, that will be 16. Are you understanding? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
See here in your bar graph, no, like this, I'll just magnify and tell you. See, if you have taken this as 15,000 like this, okay, and you have 16,000 here, not 16,000, this is 20,000 here, right? So you have small bars here like this, 15,000 here like this, then you have 16,000 like this, 1, 2, 4. You have 1 bar, 2, 3, 4, and you have the middle part here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have like this. So like this distribution you have of these lines, no? So when you take 2 points above this will be 16, this will be 17, this will be 18, this will be 19, and then you will have your 20 here. Okay? So just take 2 lines here above this. Okay, this was first, second, third, and fourth. We had made, this is the 5th line, no? So we had made 5 lines here. 1, first distribution, second, third, and fourth. So just take 2 lines as this 15,000, then you have 16,000, okay? Right? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Then take another 2 lines as 17,000, then 18,000, then 19,000, and then finally you'll get 20,000. You'll get it more clearly on your graph paper. Right? So 2 lines can be read as 1 point. Instead of taking just 1 from 1, 2, 3 and all, you can take 2 lines, 2 small lines as 1 point. Okay, so that's 15,000. So you have 16,000, then 17, then 18, then 19, and then finally you have 20,000. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So try this. Take 2 lines, 2 small distributions as 16,000. So you will have your 16,000 here, like this, just slightly above 15,000. Right? So this will be your 16,000. So I'm writing 16,000 like this. Then you have your 2012, your production was 17,000. So just 2 points above 16,000, you will have your 17,000 like this. Okay, the class time is over, beta. I'm just showing you quickly. Okay, 17.
Ma'am, we can wait for 2 minutes, ma'am. It's fine.
It's already 5 minutes ago. Okay, so in 2013, it's 15,000. So 15,000 is exactly on the line, right? So here it is 15,000. Okay, like this.
Yes.
And in 2014, it is 18,000. So 18,000 is another 2 more lines above 17,000.
About 70. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 2 more lines above 17,000. So you have to be very careful in doing this. Okay, so just this. So this is how much it is into if this is 15,000. Okay, in
Ma'am,
2000.
ma'am, can I leave because I have a class?
Okay, beta, you can leave. So just 4 lines above 18,000, you have 19,000. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's 19,000. And then in
Again,
2016, you
16,000.
have 16,000. So 16,000 is just 2 lines above
Above
15,000.
Ma'am, should I leave like two lines?
2 lines. Here I'm saying, no? So just 2 lines will give you 1 mark. Okay, 1 point. In small lines. Okay.
No, ma'am, because it's not fitting for me. Like For the 19,000, it's like I kept 20,000, right? It's like 19,000. It's like 11,000.
No, where you are saying?
Ma'am, the answer is
Where
ma'am,
you are
the
saying,
answer
Siddharth?
is
Ma'am, actually, I'm saying
2,015
width
to
is
19,000.
19,000.
You are saying the width is not fitting on your page. This is what you're saying.
yeah, ma'am. Like for the when I'm doing the 2015.
Don't make the last bar then. Leave the last bar. Okay. If the width is not fitting in your page, just leave the last bar. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay,
this is 16. Leave the last bar. My purpose is actually to explain you how to make bar graphs. Okay. So when you get all this, so just make some lines, just do some shading inside the bar graph. Don't use very dark colors. If you are doing with colors, then use only pencil colors for this. Okay. Otherwise, do shading with your simple normal pencil, or just make some lines like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, children. So I hope we'll do more practice on this tomorrow also. Tomorrow, do we have a class? No.
Okay, ma'am, this is so easy. Thank you.
Okay.
ma'am. Can you check mine once?
Okay.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you check it?
I'll give you some questions on bar graphs. You must try to do at home. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Siddharth, I can. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there is some
X-axis.
disturbance over some.
Okay, thank you, beta.
X-axis.
Thank you to all.
Yes.
Bye bye. Good night to all. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night. Good night, ma'am.